Alright guys, I got some advice for you. Never buy a Walmart Rubik's Cube. Or, I don't even know where this came from. It's been years since I've had this for years. So, I can't even rotate it. Like, I've spent the last 20 minutes trying to solve it. And I spent so much time trying to rotate it, I forget where I am in the part of the algorithm. English. So what we're gonna do. See this right here? I'm slightly afraid it's gonna bounce back and hurt me. Oh, darn. Holy crap. It didn't even break in the slightest. Like, it's still... Oh my gosh, what the heck is this? Alright, let's try it again. Let's see what we can get here. Alright. It's so hard to see my phone right now, because, like... the glare of the sun and blah blah blah. Let's try this again. Okay. Oh, we got a little something. We got some chippage right here. Come on, camera, focus. Got some chippage. Oh.